are passing Goodwin Visitor Center. We just did the Carrizo Plains tour, the Sacred Rock. If you want to see that episode, the bit that I was able to share with you. Oh, everybody's having their picnics at the Visitor Center. All right, onward we go. Oh, everybody's having their picnics here. That's so funny. Everybody brought their... We're going to go have our picnic somewhere else. Every single person we were with is having a picnic right now. I love it. There's nowhere else to eat out here, so...
There's no takeout, no Uber.
No, Uber Eats doesn't make it out here. Tow trucks won't even come out here. You have to pay like a bunch of extra... What was it?
I forgot, but there's a little bit of a fee.
And they said sometimes they can't come out here at all to get you. Wow, that's bumpy. Soda Lake is straight ahead. Another one of the natural formations out here. We just learned on the tour they used to actually harvest the sodium out of there, but they no longer do. We're gonna explore down similar road, right at the edge of Soda Lake. Impassable during wet weather. Rough road. We've been down a lot of these little side roads. It's pretty trippy out here. You cannot bring quads and ATVs and all that here. They're prohibited, so. Yeah, right there the sign said no off-road vehicles. Straight ahead, you're seeing the influence of the San Andreas Fault. And I believe he called those the Tembler Mountain Range.
Oh, this is pretty rough at one point.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't stop people.
We got a 4x4. We're not in four-wheel drive, but we've got the clearance and the good tires and a car that's meant to be off-road and loves to be off-road. It's part of the sodium buildup at the very edge of the lake. We just chill somewhere right around here, maybe. So cool. So unique. And this is BLM land. You can camp out here. We have went to the designated campgrounds. We like to camp at KCL. But you can camp pretty much anywhere out here that you decide, so we're gonna kick it. We might walk over to the edge of the lake there too in a minute. It's not a super bloom, but we got a few little flowers pushing up here. When Bobby steps on it, it's like so squishy. We're gonna walk to the edge of Soda Lake here. Woo! Oh my God, I'm really sinking. Bobby's going first to make sure that there's no snakes. Because we did see a rattlesnake today. Go to the previous episode if you want to see that, baby. Yeah, he was a fatty. We've come here 3 times. 2 of the times we saw rattlesnakes. What are you
Thinking.
Oh, okay. So squishy. And when we learned one of our visits here that even if it looks dry on top, you just go a little further below in this lake and there is moisture. So we'll see how far we can get. It really squishes down a couple inches. So cool. What? Oh, it's just sinking. We're gonna stop here. So pretty. We are leaving the little dry lake bed, lakeside spot. We're gonna head out of the plains here, and we're gonna go check on a friend on our way out, and then stop for a picnic. Starting to get hungry. It's almost 2 o'clock. We went hiking again today. All right, we're meeting up to the main road out here, which is Soda Lake Road. If you follow through, you meet 166 to the left. If you go to the right, you meet up 58, and we're going 58. Bumpy.
I found the only pothole.
Now you can see better how big that Soda Lake is. Goes for a while. And the section further north has more water in it. We could tell when we came in yesterday. Or no, sorry, that was this morning driving through.
Guns will start now.
What's that on top of the hills? The rocks?
Soda Lake Road.
You can see where the water is starting over there in the distance. The color change there.
Shane.
Whoa!
Shane of food.
You can see where there's actual water there, and it's not just the salt left behind. There is a trailhead up here. You can hike along the boardwalk there. That's where we saw one of the rattlesnakes last time too. Very interesting. I don't think we're getting a super bloom out here this year though. I don't think they got much water out here this winter. Well, they say April showers brings May flowers, I guess. You never know. We're in March.
Got a pretty good rain last week.
Doesn't look like it out here though.
You'll be fine.
And this is also a prehistoric lake, right?
Probably.
I thought the last time we were here we learned that. I'll insert the information. This was all land that 3 different native tribes used as a,
Through.
yeah.
Coming and going from tradings.
Right. There's some people walking the boardwalk there.
Boardwalk.
Boardwalk. Right here, you're going to see the trailhead. We're going to pass. Where you can see all these cars. Looked like that was maybe an organized walk too. Oh yeah, and then there's the remnants of this old farm out here. Look at the backside stuff there.
Oh yeah. Holding pens.
There's the old grain elevator. Oh yeah, they still have cattle out here. Super cool. They used to do a lot of farming out here in the 1700s, the Basque and the Spanish. All the way up through the 1800s, and it just became too hot. Spread out here, they use a lot of water or something.
In
It's
a quarter of a mile,
the
right
nicest
turn
thing out here.
onto Clarksburg Road.
So we noticed this abandoned motorhome thing out here. We want to go be nosy and curious. Check it out. And we do one small creek crossing here. I was telling Bobby there's some kind of object was dumped in the creek too. Quite a few crazy compounds out here. So there's the creek.
Next right,
This
and
is
then right turn.
Clarksburg Road. Okay. Can we cross the creek? We'll see.
Proceed about
It's a
1
refrigerator.
mile to
It is?
Carrizo Trail.
A freezer.
Is it cool to cross it? It's deeper than I thought. And remember, it's squishy. Okay, that was a little leany. Good job. Is that water back there? Oh, is it Cousin Eddie's thing? It looks like Cousin Eddie's.
Tires are gone.
Spray painted green. Oh, there's something else abandoned and smashed over there too. Oh, some of the tires are there. Ugh. Ugh, look at, you can't even go inside. It's just so gross. I'm gonna take a photo too. Are you? Because obviously you're gonna turn around, right?
Yeah. That passes.
Yeah, I want to be on the wrong side of it though, so you have to
Far back up.
I don't know how these abandoned cars get out here like this. What's this?
Yeah, man, I thought or something.
Goodness.
Like a camper or a truck or something, maybe?
I don't know. Oh yeah, camper shell
It's just on its roof.
with some kind of like components of. Oh no, that's like, it's the bottom of it actually. Look.
Yeah, it's the part that slides in your truck.
Yeah.
And it's laying on its roof.
Oh, I understand. Sorry. Yeah.
It's all dots out there.
This stuff wasn't here last time we were here. Beamer.
Yeah, something. Getting work done.
Really interesting out here. We're turning around. We'll go back through the creek. Because these roads can take you pretty far back and deep in there. We discovered last
Proceed
time.
about 0.8 of a mile to Caliente Trail.
It's more green here than that part for sure. Look at these compounds out there, guys. It's crazy.
In 0.2 of a mile, right turn onto Soda Lake Road.
All right.
Didn't take long to... Oh, that's the poop flusher tanks. I was like, what are
Yeah.
That's what's on the top. The gray tank and the black tank. Black water, gray water. Look at over there, that little niche in that.
Oh, that little blue house. That's pretty, old place.
And look right above where the mountain runoff comes, and it's super like, uber emerald green right there in the crack of the mountain.
Yeah, what's up in there in that fenced off area up there? Gardening?
Oh, I don't know.
The grave or family graveyard?
Very bumpy road. And here it will sit until it rots away, because they're not going to tow it out of here. Sure, there's all kinds of critters living in there now too. I originally I thought we would go check it out, looking inside. There's no way you want to go inside that. Nasty. So we'll go back through the creek. Oh yeah, and there's the refrigerator that someone left there. Obnoxious. Look how pretty that picture is if you don't have the junkyard below the mountain. Going back through. Both times you really squished down, so like the first time we tilted way this way and the other time. Yeah. Look at the stop sign, can't even be read. It's so hot out here. Yeah, all that. All that jazz. Do, do, do. And all that jazz. Back on the main drag. There's the little creek. It's all the, not much water out here. It's probably very salty too, I'm assuming. A little bit of flowers in the fields here. Oh, just got past. Little bit of yellow flowers popping in. And then you go to this side. Nothing but tumbleweeds. We just checked on our friend. Everything's fine. By the way, this little town here, including California Valley Lodge and the old restaurant building across the street and the old workshop building across the street, and I think that abandoned crash car comes with. But this is, I believe it's called Soda City. The whole city's for sale if you want to buy it.
Proceed about 2 miles.
I'll look it up and put the price in. There's the for sale sign. All right. Drive through a bunch of nothingness to our picnic spot. And there might be flowers there.
Might be.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.